the road. This week, on our campaign for Destination Harvey, we begin to explore the hinterland and the hills before making our way down to the coast.
We are doing the Harvey Wildflower Ridge Walk, which apparently has nice views.
It's already amazing.
Yeah.
It's really green.
Yeah. Yeah, this is one of the walks they want us to shoot some content on. So, yeah, keen to see what it's like. We've had to turn back because we both ended up booking doctor's appointments this afternoon and there just wasn't enough time for us to film and walk. So we're going to come back and hopefully the weather will be nicer.
Yeah, it's a bit gloomy today.
Yeah, we'll be back soon. What's happening? Getting our bloods checked tomorrow?
Getting our checks and our boosters and flu shots
Woo.
from the doctor.
So we're currently at Lake Brockman, which is a really cool spot. The water is so blue.
Low Brook?
Lake Brockman?
Yeah, or Low Brook.
Oh, so it's both the same.
It's got two names for some reason.
Okay, well there you go. Yeah, so we're on our way to I think it's called Lake Brockman Caravan Park or something, that they have glamping tents. So we're going to go stay there for a night and shoot some content. But we've just come across a really nice stretch of trees. And Adam's going to send the drone up. We're going to film the bus driving through. I'm on bus driving duty. Oh wow. This is so sweet.
It's like the wall thing. What's it called?
Wow, it's actually quite a well.
Kitted out?
Yeah. So we got told we were staying in a glamping tent, but we're over here. And it's sick.
Yeah. Nigel Thornberry.
Yeah. Morning. We've just checked out.
It was really cool.
Yeah, it was really nice. We had a fire last night. We're going for a wander back to a set of stairs that we spotted yesterday.
Yeah, to get a few shots of us in the ridiculously blue Lake Brockman.
Yeah. And apparently it's really cold. The people working here were like, it's like an ice bath. So I don't know if I'm going to swim. You said you're going to swim, hey?
Yeah, I'll go.
Yeah. Adam will pretty much always go in any body of water. So yeah, we'll go have a swim and then head off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got to get a few things done in Harvey, and then we've got to try and find some rolling hills this afternoon.
Yeah. Rolling hills, or if not, we can have a look at what else we need to photograph.
Yeah. Morning.
Morning! We've just arrived at the Big Orange, which, as the name suggests,
Is a big orange.
there's a big orange in the middle of the orange orchard.
What?
Is it an orchard?
I don't know. It's
Maybe-
fruit on trees.
Yeah,
That's an orchard, isn't
I think so. I'm thinking like apples and like stone fruits are orchard. Okay, I'll have to
it?
confirm.
I've no
that.
idea. Yeah, we'll get back to you. You can go inside the orange too.
Yeah, it's like a tower.
It's got a whole. From here, what we can see is just a whole load of framed prints. I think it's the wrong time of year for oranges though, because they're very green.
And small.
Mm.
I don't know, I saw some like very faint orange coloured oranges. But yeah, overall they're quite green.
But we're getting Mildura vibes from Harvey.
Yeah.
It's a really cute town. It also has an amazing doctor's clinic.
Yeah, the medical centre here is insane.
It's probably like one of the best ones we've been to in Australia.
Yeah, it was so good. We were like meaning to get our bloods checked, like skin check, and just some other stuff. And we've been able to tick off so much stuff.
Really quickly.
Yeah, it's quite a great place. But we're at the Big Orange because this is one of the locations that the tourism board want us to come and shoot. So we're going to go in, have a wander around, hopefully get to try some juice.
Yeah, they have orange juice and grape juice. It's like a 27-degree day, or 29 today.
Yeah.
So it's already pretty hot.
Yeah, yesterday was quite warm. I think the next few days are supposed to be warm. But after here, we're going to head to the coast. Go check out some of the beaches in the Harvey region. Should we do it?
Let's do it.
There it is. All right, so it's 63 or 5 stairs or something to the top of the orange. We just had so many glasses of orange and
Yeah.
grape juice.
We're gonna be on a sugar high.
She gave us 2 bottles.
It's very nice juice.
Yeah. And there's no added sugar. It's so sweet.
Mm.
We had a lot of juice.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna crash this afternoon
Yeah.
from all the juice.
Yeah, so it was orange and grape juice.
The grape juice was amazing.
Yeah, it's kind of similar. It was like a lighter version of cranberry. It was really nice.
Yeah,
Very
the-
sweet.
The lady working said that people use it instead of gin. Sorry,
Cranberry.
use it instead of cranberry in gin, which I reckon would be really nice.
Yeah. But yeah, it's warming up, so we're going to make our way to the coast.
Thank you for watching this week's episode. Stay tuned for next week's vlog as we explore the coast of the Harvey region.